to be kind, honest, and respectful to everyone. So, who can still remember what was our lesson last meeting? Yes, I'll take answer.
I think it's about inside plans, methods of propagation, planting method, care.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Kansa. So let's have our activity first. So our activity is to identify the words, whether it is method of propagation or planting method and care. So I need 7 volunteers. Okay.
7. Method of propagation.
So let's check. So your answer is correct. So based on our activity, what do you think our topic for today? Yes, Mr. Ramsa.
I think it is about vine, ornamental plants, method of propagation, planting method.
Very good. So our topic, the right Ramsa about vine ornamental plants propagation. Number 1, method of propagation, and number 2, planting method and care. So actually class, hindi na ako nakaprovide ng picture kasi na-discuss naman kami sa last meeting ko dito kung ano ang itsura ng cutting layer recognition CAC users. So i-discuss ko lang siya kung paano siya i-propagate. Method of propagation. So first is the method of propagation, cutting. So familiar naman sa cutting, di ba? Kasi nilalaw naman natin yun. So cutting, cut a piece of the vine about 62 inches long. Remove the leaves at the bottom. Leave the cut and in rooting or more. This helps it grow roots faster. Place it in moist soil or water. Keep it in a bright area but not under direct sunlight. Roots will start growing in a few weeks. So layering. Bend a soft stem down to touch the soil. Make a small cut on the part that touches the soil. Cover that part with soil and keep it moist. After a few months, roots will grow. You can then cut it from the main plant and move it. So division. If the plant has many stems or roots, gently pull it apart into smaller plants. Make sure its part has root and leaves. Replant the part in rows. So yun ang sinabi ni Ms. Lizana, di ba? Kasi kaya, ano pa na natin kasi part naman na tayo. So, yung division nila, yung parang may pinapakita siyang roots na malaking, yung modern na roots. Tapos yung sa akin, i-divide lang siya. I-replant lang siya. So yun ang tinatawag ng division. Seeds. Some vines grow from seeds. Plant the seeds in soft soil or as seeds starting mix. This method lives longer and might not make the same plant as the parent. Tubers. Some vines like sweet potatoes have underground parts called tubers. Plant the tubers in the moist soil with the eye, but facing up, new vines will grow from them. So next, we proceed from the planting method here. Site selection. Choose a spot with the right sunlight, full sun, partial shade, or full shade depending on the vine. Make sure the soil drains well and doesn't hold too much water. Number 2 is support structure. Ano yung support structure? Let's say for example na yung sa potatoes, ay ang ang support structure ito yung parang kung saan magkakaroon yung ano, yung gumagawa ka ng parang nandun siya para magkaroon. So ang tawag ng support structure. Vines need something to climb, put up a trellis fence or pole before planting. So planting, dig a hole twice as wide as the plant's roots. Place the plant in the hole at the same depth it was growing before. Fill the hole with the soil and water it well. Watering. Water the plants regularly. Keep the soil moist but not too wet. Fertilizing. Use a balanced fertilizer like 10-10-10. Don't need too much. It might harm the plant. Pruning. Alam niyo yung pruning? So, anong pruning? Yun na yun, parang sample, malaki na yung ano, yung vines. Oo, ikakat natin yun siya. Trim the vine after to shape, it can help it grow better. Different vines need different growing styles. So, tama naman, di ba? Lahat ba ng mga vines na kapag lumala nila sa same path at puto naman din? No, bakit? Kasi hindi sila same ng shape pag malaki na. So, depende sa shape ng vines, kung gaano siya. So, ikuputo ko siya based sa kung paano ang shape ng vine. Pest and disease control. Watch out for insects or signs of disease like spots on leaves. Use safe pest control if needed. So the last is overwintering. If your vine can survive all weather, cover it or bring it indoors during winter. So that's all class. Any questions, clarification?
By the way, ano ba yung vine naman?
Ang vine ornamental, ito yung mga plants na katulad ornamental plants na.
Ano yung vines?
Yung vines, ito yung parang stem na yung